Welcome to How to Graphic Design, the course of fundamentals. If you are here, it's because you want to become a graphic designer, or maybe you already are a graphic designer, but you want to review all the design basics newly to improve your design skills. Well, no matter what your goal is for this course, you should follow the same route. So in this course, you are going to be learning and mastering the fundamentals of graphic design, which includes composition, layout, color, and typography. You're going to learn how to design a project from start all the way to finish. You're going to learn how to get inspiration for projects so you never feel stuck while you're designing. And you're going to learn what you need to know about Adobe InDesign and Adobe Photoshop to get up and running designing projects. I'm not going to lie to you, becoming a designer is a lot of work. Just like anything else, developing skills, it just doesn't happen overnight. But it's also true, it doesn't have to take years to become a designer, and you do not need to spend $100,000 to become one. Now, let me tell you something. While I did go to some of those top design schools for design, I never held a degree, and I found that it was just much too much necessary time, information, all added to the curriculum, slowing down the process and prolonging my ability to start making a living designing. In fact, I learned more while working under another designer than I learned at school. Now, I do absolutely refer back to my design basics that I did learn in school, but the problem is that when learning something, you have to immediately understand the application of it. Otherwise, it goes in one ear and out the other. And I have created this course so anyone can learn design no matter how new you are at this topic. This is the course I wish I would have been taught about design. See, many other creatives have shared with me the same view. You go to school, you learn a bunch of useless theory, which acts as fillers just to drag out the process of learning so that they can keep you at least a few years and in that way earn more money. But this course is what you need to know in order to learn those fundamentals of design well. Now, there's 3 stages that are the main ones for each lesson and how it's divided into to make you a better designer. It's the abbreviation of SOP, which stands for Study, Observe, Practice. Study the concepts of design and why they are there. Then you observe other designs and understand why that designer made the choices they made. Finally, you practice and practice and practice. The best option also is to go through the whole course 3 times. The first will be to get your hands wet and learning the materials. The second time will be to gain a much better understanding and a better eye to detail. And then the third time will be to gain more confidence and feel you're able to take a project from start to finish easily. You're first going to be taken through a brief understanding about the correct mindset to adopt as a designer. And then we're going to get into the design fundamentals themselves with lots of practice projects for you to do. And the bottom of all of it is going to be how much time you put into practice, practice, and practice. You have to train your eye to be looking all the time for designs in posters, flyers, newspapers, TV commercials, book covers, billboards, everywhere. And every time you go through the course, you will become better and developing your design skills even further. No matter what type of designer you want to be, graphic designer, web, UI, UX, print, logo, the same principles apply. This course is the fundamentals of your future success as a designer. Now, I need you to make a promise to yourself that you're going to do the work and you're going to keep going until every lesson of every module is done to that lesson's requirements. Then we will celebrate your achievement. Do the work, follow the course exactly as laid out, and commit yourself to crossing that finish line. This world needs good graphic designers, and in the next lessons, you're going to understand why. I'll see you there.